Hi AutomagzHR friends, automotive lovers, who can't wait for the arrival of increasingly sophisticated and environmentally friendly electric cars. This time, we will discuss one of the new stars in the automotive world, namely the BYD Atto 3 2025. The electric SUV is rumored to be bringing a new breakthrough in its class. From its exterior appearance alone, the BYD Atto 3 2025 has succeeded in attracting attention. Its modern and futuristic design, combined with aerodynamic body curves, makes this car look very sporty and elegant. The tightly closed front grille is the hallmark of electric cars, and the sharp LED front and rear lights with advanced technology further add to the aggressive impression. Come on, let's enter the cabin. We will be greeted with a very luxurious and futuristic atmosphere. The dominance of high-quality materials such as leather and wood, as well as the use of the latest technology, creates a very comfortable and pleasant interior. The large touchscreen, which controls almost all the car's functions, is the center of attention in the cabin. Other advanced features such as a panoramic sunroof, high-quality audio system, and various active safety features further complement driving comfort. Now, the most awaited thing. One of the most interesting things about the BYD Atto 3 2025 is its propulsion system. Even though rumors say that this car will have a hybrid engine, many sources believe that BYD will maintain the concept of a pure electric car, powered by a large capacity battery. It is reported that the BYD Atto 3 2025 can cover quite long distances on a single charge. Apart from that, the electric motor embedded in it is claimed to be capable of producing enormous power, so there is no need to doubt the driving performance of this car. Wow, this is really amazing! When can we have BYD Atto 3 2025? Unfortunately, until now there is no official information regarding the launch date. However, based on various rumors circulating, BYD is predicted to launch this car in 2025. Let's just wait for the good news. BYD Atto 3 2025 is here as the answer for those who are looking for an electric car with an attractive design, complete features, and strong performance. Are you interested in having it? Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the AutomagzHR channel to get the latest information about the automotive world. Thanks!